Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to check the battery health of your POCO M8. So battery health shows you the capacity that your battery has compared to the original size of the battery. So if you want to check that, the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and then we're going to scroll down to battery, and then we're going to tap on battery protection. And here under battery protection you will find battery health and charging cycles. So charging cycles are basically how many times you've charged your phone, and battery health, as I previously said, shows how much of the original battery life your phone has. So the lower the number means the worse performing your battery is. So that's pretty much how you check it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.